All right, good morning. Today's September 29th. Going to look at the charts, and I already got these marked up, what I want to see basically. Here on the weekly and the monthly. Let's see quickly. The monthly is going to close tomorrow. Okay, bearish. Weekly. Just bounced off this week, bounced off that monthly support. Remember the other day I marked off this level here as a monthly support. Also evident on the weekly chart right here. Oh, oh, the hell happened there? Okay. Yeah, so weekly it might close off bullish or it might just end up in a small indecision candle like this. Daily, we were going up and then today it dropped. It's you know, nothing much really happening. It broke yesterday's 2 days ago high and but closed it below that resistance. That key resistance, yeah. Closed below that resistance. So we'll see what happens. There's no news, no big news really happening. Tomorrow's of course core PCE price index, and in like 4 minutes we got unemployment claims. An orange folder, so maybe not much volume or momentum on that, but we'll see. What I do like though on the 4 hour, it went up. You can see the bulls getting weaker, bullish candles closing smaller, big drop between 1 to 5 a.m. And now at 5 a.m. it created this little support. I love this for 9 a.m. This 4 hour candle at 9 a.m. to close in a small bullish candle and take sell. That's what I got marked up right here already. All right. That's what I got marked up. Sells below this wick, probably around like 80 points. And here you're risking, it wouldn't be 300. I'd look on a smaller time frame for some entries. But nice clean traffic to the left for about a maximum of about 300, minimum maybe 90 points. Same way goes for buys. You get a closure above this resistance, right? Key resistance level. This is a 4 hour wick high. We're on this 4 hour time frame. Buys above this for about a 200-point move and even maybe a 450 move. But there's some buys over there. Now on the hourly, much cleaner that you see the supports and resistance. Right now, just in a range, no real trade. And it's been choppy after this big bullish move. Yeah, it moved up, but you know, I ain't awake at 5 a.m. to take that trade. It's 160, 30-minute time frame. Nice, but now we got news. So a little bit choppy. This is clean right here. If it breaks this high, I could see it just shooting up. This thing's just gonna shoot up real quick. But we'll see. We got 90 seconds. All right, so this is a 30-minute time frame. I'll leave my potential entries right here. Let's see. 10 o'clock. I usually leave the charts by 11 o'clock anyways. So those are my setups. And yeah, you're going to stay out of this range. 90 seconds. Let's go on to MetaTrader. Already got the moved zones mapped out over here. And yeah, 1 minute. Let's see. No buy stops or sell stops are on the chart because there's no clean setups. Let's see. Twenty seconds. Five, four, three, two, one. Here we go. And if we look at a smaller screen, we'll see what the results are. Still loaded. Honestly, I just want that 4 a.m. to close. It's pretty easy on 4 hour, minute, 1 hour. Anyways, okay, so unemployment claims, pretty good numbers. Only 193,000 people are unemployed compared to what they thought about over 200K. Looking at gold, people saying it dropping quick, but it's not really dropping that much. 5 pips, 5 points, not much. Clean traffic here. If it maybe New York NYSE Open built this. But yeah, there we go. You can see on TradingView, the news didn't really do much. Didn't really do much, just consolidating, staying in the range. So I'm gonna make myself some breakfast. Yeah, no real setup here. I'll make some breakfast. BRB by 9 o'clock. All right, quickly before I go, see this 15-minute just quickly shot back down. No upper wick, so it could just continue to drop down, but I'm still gonna wait for the 4 hour because volume has slowed down. But I do like this doji candle. Probably at 9 a.m. as I said, gonna take sells over here as it breaks this wick. You know, nice 90-point move, even maybe 30, 90 or 200 points. But if we get an upper wick rejection, I could mitigate risk over here, maybe like 100 points, make 400. So it's presenting what I wanted to see. Where are my, yeah, here we go. It's presenting what I want to see. And if it just drops all the way without me, that's perfectly fine. Because, I need a setup. End of the month, I just need a setup. Wait for the proper setup. That's what I need, basically. All right, so doing the what is it? 4 hour analysis. Basically, we got what I wanted. Yeah, over here, small bullish candle, closing above support. Support also confirmed on the 4 hour. And right now it's just going up. So right now, no trades, not taking buys. It's respecting that resistance on the 1 hour. You can see some wick rejections, 30-minute, just consolidating that support. Nothing really happening. No clean setup, you know. So we got 90 seconds until the market opens. And now, unless volume comes in, I might take the trade with current trade below here. With stops up here for about 190. Damn. We'll see. We'll see. See what happens. This thing's just stuck in a range. Look at that. Nice dropped. If it breaks this low, be able to drop. Should be able to drop. Lower highs being created. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. I mean, let's see. Low of 86. No trades. No trades at the open. Nothing is clean to the left. You know, you look at 30-minute, you got a resistance up here. 1 hour resistance two is respecting that. 4 hour, right? I mean, I could take a high risk 4 hour of like an 83-point risk, but not gonna do that. Don't feel like doing it. See. Seem like anything's gonna happen. Resistance. Little resistance up here. 1 hour resistance right there. Oh, good. Cells look so much better. We'll watch price. Just watching this. So on this 1 hour, at 30 minutes left for it to close, I probably would like to see a 15-minute. Oh man, this is looking good. I mean, ooh, yes. The only reason I don't feel like taking impulse entry is because there's no other news. Low of 86.65. That's 84. Spread is 0.7. Should be good. 469, 71, 2 points. No news, 10:30, nothing, 1 o'clock, nothing. Would love this to flip bearish. You know, a good trade would be just to make stops like around here. Because this is where the 4 hour candle opened. I think. Yeah, this is where the 4 hour candle opened, and it should not flip bullish if it breaks this previous candle low. Should it? Because that's a big ass retracement, man. But I gotta work with what I know, and wider stop losses are always better. Always better. So we'll watch it. Looking good. It's only been 5 minutes, and if this 5 minute, hey, next 5 minute to form. Yeah, so here, ours looking pretty good. What I would like even more is that this 15 minute can close um, somewhere here. Not breaking the previous wick, but somewhere here, so that the next 15 minute candle, it goes up, retraces, flips, and just breaks out. That would be amazing. That would be a good trade, though. Like, better trade for me. So, gonna go back to MetaTrader. We got this setup right here. Right? Retracing, not yet dropping. Got lots of time still. Now, nice wick sell off, wick rejection. 30 minute just sideways. Really need this to close outside the zone. Just outside would be good. 4 hour setup. So again, what I've recently learned from before, if I'm taking 4 hour setups, such as this, if it breaks a previous low, I got taking a 1 hour entry, stops are all the way up there. I gotta manage risk based off the 15 or 30 minute candle. Because on the 5 minute, you're gonna get a lot of whipshawing, seesaw, stuff like this. See bearish, bearish, and then it goes up. But if you look at a 15, and it went up, nice liquidity grab, close up, and yeah, you just gotta watch. Let's see. So this is a 15. That's a 15. 5 minute, 15 minute. This is a 5 minute. 30 minute. Not much. We see what the 15 is showing us. 54 points away from entry. Looks so good. Easy money could be made here. Could break that. Good points. Yeah. I'm gonna take around 80 to 100 points right there. 5 minutes left. see. This 5 minute. You know, it's like 80. Yeah, so I might use a 5 minute high because this one is above the 4 hour open, 1 hour there. 30 minutes right around these things. So I might actually just make it up here. Should be a risk of 113. But I need this 15 minute to close first. Entry. Six. 86, 65. All right, so place the sell stop here. See if we get it. We'll close 90%. Just because it's a big stop. Don't know if I will hit this. Damn, I'm in. So we're in the trade based off the 4 hour. Right? 4 hour break. And now this should basically drop. Again, I'm gonna take profits around the 80 to 100 point mark. This is 100 points. 29 to 100. Around this area is where I will take it. It's normal for this to probably retrace because it's a wick over here. But, you know, if it wicks up, that is 117. All right, so while that trade is playing out, I'm going to document. Target is changed to 400. 195.35. It's taking it. So 30 points. Yeah, again, it's clean traffic. Let's go on the bigger time frames. Clean traffic to the left there. Right? Might even go here. How many points is that? 70. Maybe I'll take 70. We'll see. 15 minute has a minute to close. Okay. Let's see how this closes. 50 points, baby. Remember, I'm gonna take, you know what, let's just take 80. I just don't like, I think I'm taking 80 because this 100, yeah. Let's see if we can get 80. 80 points. Is it possible? Closing 90% at 80 points. It's right there. Got 30 seconds for this 15 to close. I'm gonna close 50. All right. Dang, baby. We got it. Stop loss to entry, baby. Stop loss to entry. And we're going to ride this thing down to target. Just send this to the chat. All right, risk-free, stress-free, got my 80 points. Oh, wow, look at that. It passed 100 points. I ain't even mad at that because the market is unknown. You don't know what's going on. There it is. Read that I posted. Oh, here we go. Edit. All right. Man, that's amazing. Closed on 90% and got 186 bucks. Hey, can you see that? Yeah, there you go. 186 bucks. This is beautiful. Yeah. So now I'm gonna manage risk based off the 5 minute time frame. If this stops me out at break even, that's perfectly fine. Again, I closed 90% because one, I wasn't too sure if it would reject this, right? Here it was like 70, 80, was struggling, and then it finally broke out, which is fine. I mean, if you calculate, let's look at this. Let's calculate how much money I missed out if I held for the extra 20 points. So looking at the trade, it closed a 2.3 lot. So that is $2.30 a point. Only missed out on 46 bucks. So 186 plus 40, 232. It's not that much. Anyways, looking at this, so if it hits target, 120 bucks. Perfect. That is amazing. Might happen. So I'm just gonna hold this. I'm done for the day. 186. I don't even know how much percentage that is on my account, but hey, consistent, boy. Consistent, man. All right. So just gonna document this. Setup. Setup was seen on the 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hour. Fucking amazing. Doji break. This one is previous. Let's say 1 hour. Was it the 1 hour? Yeah. 1 hour and 30 minutes. 30 minute and 1 hour. So no emotions, which is great. That's what I like to document. History. Close this at 2919889 81 points. Yeah, we're gonna manage risk here off the. Actually, you know what? I'm risking. I have a 0.3 lot on. That's 30 cents a point. I'm just gonna let this go, and then whatever happens, happens. Yes. How much did I risk? Oh, I risked 195. Oh, look at that. Look at that, man. All right, man. I think I'm done. Let's just watch the 4 hour, and that's pretty much it. Gonna leave this on until I don't know. The hell? Oh, those are the zones, man. Super clean.
About college is meeting people.
Profit secured. All right, so it is 10:33, and it looks like I'm managing risk off a 15-minute, and it looks like I might get stopped out here. I'm managing it based on the previous 15-minute high. If it breaks it, because it's actually a pretty good bullish candle over there. MFE was about 260 points. And I mean, it could drop to 300. There's also a little support here, see? There's a little support right there. Yeah, so I might get stopped out, which is perfectly fine. I mean, this is one of the biggest trades I've had this year. And 30-minute has a big long lower wick. Hourly still forming. And I just want to secure profits. I mean, it's small, even though it's 30 bucks versus 40 bucks, 80 bucks. It's okay. So imagine it's up to 15, and let's see what happens. It actually did not break. So if it breaks this low, oh shoot! Look at that price action. It just quickly dropped. If this breaks this low, man, we going all the way downtown. Going down. But let's see what happens. 197. Crazy. I think I'll get stopped out though, honestly. So let's see. Gotta pause. Boom, food warmed up. See gold. Gold has been dropped. Oh, look at that. Quick drop on gold. How much price action? If it breaks this low, boom, same thing. It's gonna drop. All right. I'm gonna pause this and see what happens. Actually, I'll just let it roll. If it breaks this, then I'll pause it. It'll go well. I'll pause right now. Right, so basically got stopped out over here. Remember I was managing off the 15-minute highs, and you can see it dropped and went back up. So that's pretty much it. And this trade gave me 236 bucks. So I don't know how many pips that is, but overall it's pretty good shit.